To gain prominence in Kiambu County, with farmers attracted by high returns. Farmers such as Samuel Mwaura say that they have opted to replace coffee bushes with the less labor-intensive macadamia to reap the higher earnings. Here is our reporter Benson Rioba with the details.
Samuel Mwaura says the price of a kilo of macadamia steadily increased over the last decade 7 times to 200 shillings pre-COVID. Although he acknowledges that the prices have since reduced due to the disruption caused by the coronavirus in key international markets, Mwaura says macadamia is still more profitable when compared to other food and cash crops.
And around 2000, the market was about 30 shillings. And people started to be serious in planting macadamia because they had found it was better than coffee.
The increasing number of macadamia processing factories has led more farmers to embrace the cash crop over the years.
It is very delicious.
With good crop husbandry and the right seedlings, a macadamia tree takes an average of 4 years to mature. Once mature, a tree produces about 70 kilos of macadamia per season.
A tree matures in about 4 years with good management. And a mature tree of macadamia can produce between 70 and 80 kilos with good management from April to June. That is a harvest time. Because when macadamia tree flowers, it takes 80 months to mature.
However, some farmers are said to be planting the wrong variety and are being encouraged to familiarize themselves with the topography of their farms to know the variety of macadamia tree to plant.
Monanga 20, the nuts are very heavy. Very heavy. So, because this is agribusiness, we sell weight. So Muranga is best in weight. But when we come to Kiambu, the tree is very big. As you can see here, it is very big with so many nuts. So it also can produce about 70 to 80 kilograms per season per year.
Mwaura says the national and county government should create interventions in the macadamia value chain, such as subsidizing fertilizer and farm inputs.
I would like the government to assist the farmer. Macadamia farmers should be assisted like coffee farmers, tea farmers, maize farmers, and other farmers like fish farming with loans, advisories. Processor of nuts cannot export his or her nuts with the shells. I would like the government to change that policy so as a farmer or a processor can sell the nuts anywhere in the world with the shells.
He hopes prices in the international market will pick up as more countries enforce COVID-19 interventions, such as the COVID-19 vaccination.
Macadamia farming has been good to me. I have built a good house. I have educated my children.
Benson Rioba reporting for Business Insight.